Bonjour à tous, je me présente, chef Aisha, je suis consultante et formatrice basée à Paris, donc en France. Je suis désolée, je m'exprime en français, mais je suis accompagnée de mon traducteur Hugo.
She's my partner, as she was saying. She's Chef Aisha from Paris. She has a company called Afro gourmet, and she's a consultant chef from back in Paris.
Déjà, je remercie Rita de m'accueillir et de me faire découvrir les spécialités de l'Ouganda. Merci beaucoup, Rita. Merci à thecookingnurse.
Yeah, thank you for Rita for making us experience how to make eshabwe. It was a great experience for sure.
They must have been. Yeah.
Et Rita m'a fait découvrir une spécialité ougandaise. Tu peux juste me répéter le nom, s'il te plaît? Eshabwe. Et du coup, ça m'a donné une idée. Je me suis dit, pourquoi ne pas réussir à l'adapter pour que ça puisse accompagner des viandes, des poissons, des crudités, et pourquoi ne pas aussi l'adapter à des spécialités françaises?
She said, so after seeing the way to make eshabwe, she had this thought, why not to develop it and make sure maybe you can do a marination for your meat, or maybe make a sauce for your salad, or even a sauce for your appetizers or snacks.
Et donc dans la réserve de Rita, on a découvert pas mal de bonnes épices, du curry, rosemary, turmeric, coriandre, et du coup on s'est dit toutes les deux pourquoi ne pas diversifier et puis créer pas mal de marinades.
So she's saying through Rita's store, she found out different spices, African spices, where we can see rosemary, coriander, curry, black pepper, white pepper, and so on. So through them, we use them, and ginger, of course. Ginger? Yes. So through them, we made all these different sauces that we are going to go through.
Donc tous les trois, nous avons essayé de créer une nouvelle gamme de produits, de marinade. Là, donc nous avons toujours notre base, et nous avons rajouté du curry, black pepper et de l'origan, que nous avons mélangé ensuite.
Yeah, through these spices we have here, the three of us, by the way, I'm not a chef, for you to know that today I think I'm also getting part of the game. Yeah, so the three of us, we've been able to work together and make this you can see in front of us. So the first one is made, the base of course, which is eshabwe, the base, and then we have rosemary, black pepper, and curry powder. So we mixed the three of them with the eshabwe. So it gives
the consistency is still the same. And it takes down the sharpness of the eshabwe. You know, when you put it in your mouth, it kind of hits the palate, the upper palate, but it takes down that, makes it flat and good. It almost wants to compete with mayo.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, this one is good.
One very special part that we didn't mention, this eshabwe has this smoke.
Yeah, the smoky.
Yeah,
bit.
smoky.
Because traditionally, the person who makes this, he smokes it. Yeah, so it has that smokiness, the smoke smell, aroma, flavor when you use it in food.
Yeah, which is very nice. Like I know this flavor, this taste from salmon fish.
Yes.
So the salmon fish has this taste, and I think there's something that can be created and go with the salmon fish.
Mm.
Yeah.
C'est bon, je peux récupérer la parole?
Bien sûr.
Et là, pour celui-là, nous avons rajouté du turmeric. Non, on avait mis du poivre blanc. Voilà, base. On a mélangé. Et je pense que ça peut être une très bonne marinade. Ah oui, d'accord. Et soya sauce. Et je pense que ça peut être une excellente marinade pour le poisson.
So with this one, we mixed oregano, white pepper, turmeric, and some soya sauce. And we think with this one can be better to make a marinade for fish, especially fish.
Yeah, because the turmeric comes in strong, and the soy sauce. Yeah, I think it would be perfect for a marinade.
Yes.
So you can grill something much later.
Exact.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Et là, on a une version,
New marinade on the block.
une version un peu plus lisse, idéale pour une petite sauce vinaigrette, pour une salade.
So we have another version of this one. So we added on olive oil, but we think with a good idea would be making it with ginger oil or coconut oil. So this one can be used as a salad dressing for salad.
Yes.
With extra salt.
Yeah.
Some salt.
Some salt. It's not salty.
Yeah. The salt has been done.
Oh yeah. And the oil is a little bit strong. But I think if you use, as we said, coconut oil or ginger oil will be perfect. Yeah.
Et là, cette fois-ci, c'est bon. Ça me fait penser un peu à la sauce tartare à Paris. C'est une sauce à base de crème et d'aromates. Mais là, par exemple, on a rajouté uniquement des aromates séchés, rosemary. C'était du basil. Basil?
Yeah.
Basil.
Basil.
Basil. I'm sorry. Basil.
I'm sorry. Poor.
Oregano. Du poivre noir. Yes. Black pepper.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Which one is it?
Poivre noir.
It's okay.
Repeat. Poivre noir.
Poivre noir.
It's perfect.
Welcome me home.
Et idéal pour accompagner une viande. Un bon steak. Bien tendre.
So this one made her think about the sauce they make back in Paris called tartar sauce.
Yeah.
So the tartar sauce is almost the same, and this can be very good for the beef. Can be very good for the beef, for the steak.
Yes.
So it's a mixture of the dry spices, the curry. This is curry powder.
No, rosemary.
Sorry. And we have basil, we have oregano. Yes, and black pepper. Poivre noir, black pepper. Yes, very nice, very tasty. Yeah.
Mais le vrai but, c'est que vous puissiez partir en créativité et que vous puissiez, à partir de cette base-là, créer puis inventer vous-même différentes sauces, différentes marinades et vous faire plaisir.
Yeah. So the main objective of this is to use this base we have here and make sure you create something creative, tasty, using the spices we have, a lot of spices we have in Africa, and also different aromas, which is very important, and make from the basic sauce, make something special, something tasty for your food.
En tout cas, merci beaucoup, Rita, de m'avoir fait découvrir une spécialité traditionnelle ougandaise. Merci de nous avoir accueillis. Puis je te fais plein de à quand à Paris? Je te vois quand à Paris? You come.
Yes.
That's
the last part.
Yeah, that's right.
She said, I need to move on to Paris. Yeah.
She's like, so thank you for welcoming us and also for let us discover this great specialty from Uganda. So she's asking, when are you coming to Paris?
Next year, June.
L'année prochaine, en juin.
Avec grand plaisir, t'es attendu, ma chérie.
You are most welcome in Paris. She'll be waiting.
I can't wait to see you at your studio.
Yes.
You guys are not good. Elle peut plus entendre.
Ah.
Diète là-bas juste à ton studio.
Quand tu veux, ma chérie, t'es la bienvenue avec grand
Anytime
plaisir.
you want, you are welcome.
All right. So I have a home in Paris.
Of course. Yes.
All right. Congratulating.
So we cannot forget Kigali also. We have Kigali.
No.
So you
Okay,
guys,
Kigali.
people want to travel to Kigali. I'm representing Boho Restaurant. Now on you guys, you are welcome at Boho Restaurant Kigali. It's the best vibe place. My sister knows the place. And the view, you can see the whole Kigali in front of you. So
Jessica,
Mais ton nom, c'est qui a fait la carte.
oh yeah. Actually, she's here for making, as she develops African cuisine and make a menu, an Afro menu, Afro fusion menu out of African cuisine. So now we are working together to Boho Restaurant to make sure we put this African food on high standard and make this higher standard food the gastronomy of African food.
Yes. Finally, the black person is going to be so proud of the food that comes from the land. Good job. Right, so this is Jessica, my friend. All of you people should be like Jessica, okay? When you move and you see opportunities, please plug your friends. Come in the frame.
Yeah, am I sitting there?
Forever. Yeah, you can sit there.
Yeah.
Hi.
So, Jessica happens to be a traveler, African traveler. But yeah, she's been in Kigali before you slap me.
Not Kigali, it's Kigali. Hey, you guys. Not
Okay.
Kigali. Kigali. Come on. Okay. Never mind.
Ugandan.
So Jessica was in Kigali for a conference, and then she met a chef, and she was like, "Oh my God, I have a friend back in Kampala who is also in the food industry, mainly African food. So maybe it could be a good, opportunity if we met." And here we are. Now I have a home in Paris. Jessica always welcome home. Please continue shuffling. Yeah, we'll be bringing people here. Yeah, very good.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you,
And
Jessica.
thank you so much
Thank you.
for honoring her testers. Like, I have a friend who's a chef who is into the food industry. Please come and meet. And you accept it, actually come and meet. This amateur, maybe in 2-5 years, will be able to speak the same language. Yeah. So.
And you're always welcome. Come back again and again.
Sure. And again, whenever you're in Kampala, you're always welcome.
Yes.
And we'll be back to Kigali, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be back together and then go back to
Paris.
Oh, okay.
Send our love to France and to Kigali.
Of course.
All right. And tell them you're always welcome. We're cooking that
Actually,
suggestions.
we are not here that.
Yeah, we're going to do the plating, but this particular session is